Welcome back to the channel, YouTubers. Pat of Card Scale Dreams. So I'm just coming on. It's Friday evening. I had a bit of a disaster with my Jungle Jim Camaro. Literally the last coat of clear that I had to put on. And I went too thick. Yeah, it sucks because I put all this work into this body and now I've got to do a ton of sanding. Sucks. I'll get you turned around and I'll show you what too thick a paint does to your model. So here's the Camaro as it sits now. I've done some sanding on it. I went way too thick on my last coat of clear. I was using this Duplicolor 1K clear, and I'm not used to this nozzle. However, I did do 3 good coats, and then 2 mist coats over the decals. It was going good. I had to do one. I was going to do one heavy wet coat and see what it looked like. Came back 10 minutes later, and a bunch of it looked like this. So I've got a ton of sanding to do, which really sucks. Definitely not gonna put it in the bath because I got a ton of body work into this roof, so I'm not starting over, and I don't have decals either. So, but this is what happens when you put on your clear too thick. You can see here I've sanded all this out already pretty good. Spent about an hour sanding this. Didn't really affect the top too much. You can see where my body work wasn't as great. This little divot showed up there after I got into color. But anyways, it's all around the window frames. On the back here, on the back wing. Yeah, and I just finished decaling it. So a lot of areas to be addressed. Pretty sure I can pull it off. And yeah, it just sucks because I had so much work into this so far, and it was looking so good. If you guys seen, and if any of you seen my my short video just after I got it painted and got it out of the dehydrator, and it was looking really good. Yeah, it just sucks when you mess up. So I'm going to sand her down and hopefully I don't screw it up again. It was looking so good too. But yeah, if you've ever done this, let me know if you sanded it out, how it went for you. I can't remember if I've ever done this before. Can't really remember. I don't think I have. But yeah, it's kind of one of those things when you're using spray bombs, it's easy to go thick. You really got to watch what you're doing, especially when you're using a new paint can nozzle. You really got to be careful. So anyways, that's where this is at. This is where it's going to sit for a little while. I got to go back to work, and yeah. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. Appreciate it. Prayers for all those who need them, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.